Childhood belongs out here.
Wake up! Woohoo!
Every generation tells a story. Which one will we? And when Polly takes the stage, laughter is never far behind.
I can do that too! Oops!
You are the best, Polly!
For the first time in days, Aarav's smile was real. He's smiling.
That's the smile of a free heart, my dear.
I feel happy again.
Seeing Aarav smile again, his mother's heart overflowed.
Yes, Aarav, that's my boy.
Clap, clap, clap. A standing ovation for our hero.
In that hug, years of worry melted into love.
I'm proud of you, son.
The hug of victory.
Shabash, beta!
This is our Aarav.
Clap, clap, clap!
Just like Grandpa.
The whole jungle is cheering.
Say cheese, everyone!
Cheese!
Capture this moment, it's precious. Smile for the jungle paparazzi.
Every small step we take together can create big change.
Yes, we can do it.
Little steps.
Together, we grow stronger.
Change is in our hands.
Even after challenges, small steps and care can restore balance and joy.
Everything feels brighter now.
Happy times. Together, we can move forward.
Hope grows with every little step.
We can heal together.
Step by step, we'll be okay.
Better days are here. We can heal together.
Step by step, we'll be okay.
Better days are here.
Together, everything is possible.
Unity brings strength.
A brighter tomorrow begins with small steps. Together, hope grows when hearts unite.
Together, we shine.
The adventure continues.
Stay tuned for more fun.
Yay!
Next part coming soon.